Today we will study the chapter number 16, that is garbage in, garbage out. Garbage in, garbage out. So we throw out so much rubbish or garbage every day from our homes, school, shops, and offices. So, as we know, in our day-to-day life, we throw all the garbage from home, from the school, from the shops, and from the offices. The grain, pulses, biscuits, milk, or oil purchased in shops are packed in plastic bags or tins. Then when we go into the market, then we purchase grains, then we purchase pulses, then we purchase biscuits and milk or oil. It is packed in either in plastic bag or in tins. जो भी हम सामान खरीदते हैं मार्केट से, या तो वो प्लास्टिक बैग में होता है, या हमारा वो सारा का सारा जो सामान है वो हमारा किस में होता है, टिन्स में होता है. For example, oil, it is packed in tins. All these wrapping material go out as garbage. So all these wrapping material, just like plastic bag or tin, this is called garbage. We sometimes buy things that are rarely used and often throw into the garbage. Sometimes some things when we are rarely need, then we throw it after expiry date. So this is also called garbage. कई बार हम एक ऐसी चीज खरीदते हैं जो बहुत कम यूज होती है और वो कई बार बहुत टाइम तक पड़ी रहती है. This is also called garbage. We generate so much garbage in our day-to-day activities. So in our day-to-day activities, we produce so much garbage, just like kitchen waste, just like the wrapping material waste, plastic waste, tin waste. We often throw groundnut shells on public places. When we eat groundnuts, then we remove shells of groundnuts and we throw all these groundnut shells in public place. जब भी हम groundnuts खाते हैं, जो उसके बाहर का कवर है, उसको हम कहाँ फेंक देते हैं? Public place पे. For example, in the buses, in the trains, when we eat these nuts, we remove the shell and we throw the shell in public places. We throw away the ticket when we get off a bus. So when we get out from the bus, and then we take a ticket and then we throw ticket in the public place. So this ticket is also a garbage. So this ticket is also a garbage. Now a child might go on the sharpening pencil just for the fun. Sometimes a child feels very happy when he sharp pencil many times. कई बार हम पेंसिल जो है शार्प करते हैं सिर्फ फन के लिए. If we make mistakes and spill ink on our notebook, sometimes we do mistakes in our notebook And sometimes we spill ink in our notebook. And we also throw many domestic waste, such as broken toys, such as old clothes, shoes, and slippers. So in our home, we use toys, we use clothes, and when they are old, so when these are called domestic waste. So what are domestic waste? For example, the old toys, broken toys, old clothes, shoes, slippers. So these are domestic waste. So what do you mean by waste and what do you mean by garbage and how garbage is producing? So garbage are of many types. For example, plastic bag waste, tin can waste. Next is ticket waste. And next is nut waste. Next is paper waste. And next is pencil. When we sharp pencil, then the part remaining is called garbage. And broken toys, old clothes, shoes, slippers. So these are all waste. So what if the garbage is not removed from our home and surroundings? अगर गार्बेज को अगर हमारे घर से हमारे आसपास से रिमूव नहीं किया गया तो what will happen? So how do you think these will harm us? Suppose if we are not removing garbage from our home, so if we are not removing garbage from our home, so what will happen? So there is a smell spread in our home. Next is, how do you think these harm us? So when smell is produced from our homes and surrounding, then this will create many diseases. So this will create many diseases. This smell create many diseases. When Safai Karmchari take the garbage from garbage, where does this garbage go? So as we know, Safai Karamchari, they take the garbage from our homes and he take the garbage from our home. And what we do for this garbage? Is it possible for all these garbage to change something that will not harm us? जो भी हमारे घर से सफाई कर्मचारी जो भी हमारा जो गंद लेके जाते हैं, क्या उसको हम वो कहाँ लेके जाते हैं? क्या उसको हम किसी चीज में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can convert into manure. We can convert this waste into manure, and this will not harm us. Can we contribute towards in any way? Can we contribute these disposal of garbage? We look for the answer to these questions in this chapter. So in this chapter, we study about the garbage, types of garbage, and how garbage is produced, and how garbage is converted into manure. So next is a step towards cleanliness. This is logo. So this is the logo. This is the logo of. This is our logo. Though a step towards cleanliness. So this is our logo. The Prime Minister of India, Swachh Bharat Mission. This is logo of Swachh Bharat. So Prime Minister has launched the Swachh Bharat Mission, SBM, Swachh Bharat Mission. And what is the aim of this mission? To create an open defecation free India by 2 October 2019. 2 अक्टूबर 2019 तक जो पर्सन ओपन एरिया में टॉयलेट जाते हैं कि हर घर में टॉयलेट होना चाहिए कि किसी भी पर्सन को टॉयलेट के लिए बाहर ना जाना पड़े। तो इंडिया को बिल्कुल 2 अक्टूबर 2019 तक सभी को जो सभी के घर में टॉयलेट होने चाहिए। सो दिस इज द स्वच्छ भारत एम ऑफ स्वच्छ भारत मिशन and this is logo of Swachh Bharat Mission. Who launched this Swachh Bharat Mission? Prime Minister of India. And what is the aim of this mission? To create an open defecation India. So this is the logo of Swachh Bharat Mission. Next is children from Paheli and Bhujo school did a project dealing with garbage. So Paheli and Bhujo, they did a project, and what was the name of project? Dealing with garbage. So what was the project? So in the next topic, we will study the project dealing with garbage. So firstly, we will study what do you mean by landfill. As we know, the Safai Karamchari, they take the garbage in trucks, and so suppose these take the garbage and they take it to an open area, and this open area is called landfill. So what do you mean by landfill? An open area where garbage is thrown. So what do you mean by landfill? Open area where garbage is thrown. So write down the definition of landfill. Open area where garbage is thrown. So open area where garbage is thrown is called landfill. जो हम सारा का सारा जो भी गंद है वो कहाँ एक ओपन एरिया में फेंकते हैं उसको लैंडफिल बोलते हैं. There are the parts of garbage that can be reused and separated out from the one that can be used as such. Suppose this is our garbage. Suppose this is the garbage. So it is converted into two parts, useful components, and second is non-useful. Two parts. First is useful component and second is non-useful component. So this is landfill. This is an open area where garbage is thrown. This is an open area where garbage is thrown. So this is called landfill. So next is, as we know, in the garbage, there are two components. First is useful and second is non-useful. So garbage has two components. First is useful and second is non-useful. And then what we'll do? We take the non-useful component, then we separate the non-useful component from the useful component. It is then spread over the landfill and then covered with the layer of soil. Then we will take non-useful component and then we will suppose this is our landfill. This is an open area. Then we put non-useful component in this open area. So we put non-useful landfill is completely full, it is usually converted into park or playground. Suppose the landfill is completely full, then it is converted into park or playground. But no building can construct on it. Why building not can construct on it? Because सारी लैंडफिल फुल हो जाती है, या तो उसको हम पार्क में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं या प्लेग्राउंड में। उसमें हम कोई भी बिल्डिंग नहीं बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि उसके नीचे क्या होता है, सारा का सारा गंद होता है और बहुत ज्यादा गंद होता है, उसके ऊपर हम कोई भी बिल्डिंग नहीं बना सकते। To deal with some of the useful component of the garbage, compost making area are developed near the landfill. So, as we know, to deal with some of the useful components of the garbage, compost making areas are developed near the landfill. When we throw garbage in the landfill, then we make compost. हम जो भी लैंडफिल में जो भी गंद डालते हैं उसको हम किस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, खाद में. This is called compost. And what do you mean by compost? So we will explain this in the activity 1. So you have to remember the garbage has useful component and non-useful component. So we will put non-useful component in the landfill, and then we will cover it with the help of soil. Then we will add some soil. Then it will convert into the park or playground. उसका बेकार वाले एरिया पे हम उसमें मिट्टी डाल देंगे और उसके ऊपर हम बिल्डिंग नहीं बना सकते, हम उसको हम पार्क में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं या प्लेग्राउंड में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. So as we know, we can also convert these garbage into compost. Paheli did wonder as to what could be useful garbage. So what do you mean by useful garbage, and why we are throwing it in the, if it is useful? Is there some garbage that is not actually garbage? जब जो हमारा यूजफुल गार्बेज है, जो हमारे लिए यूजफुल है, वो उसको हम गार्बेज में क्यों डालते हैं? Is there some garbage that is not actually garbage? So we will answer this question in the activity 1. So what is the activity 1? So what is the activity 1? So we are collecting the garbage from our house before it is thrown into the dustbin. As we know, we throw all these garbage into the dustbin. So before throwing into the dustbin, you collect these garbage and separate two groups. Group 1, Group 2. In the Group 1, we are taking garbage from the kitchen, just like vegetable peels, eggshells, waste food, tea leaves, newspapers, dry leaves, paper bags. So this is the garbage produced from the kitchen. So we are taking the garbage produced from the kitchen. In the Group 2, what we have taken? The remaining garbage, just like pieces of cloth, polythene bags, broken glass, aluminium wrappers, old shoes, nails, broken toys, जो भी हमारे घर में गंद आता है उसको हम दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, ग्रुप 1, ग्रुप 2। और ग्रुप 1 में क्या है, ग्रुप 1 में जो भी किचन से वेस्ट आता है, जैसे एग के जो शेल्स होते हैं, एग का बाहर का कवर होता है, वेजिटेबल्स पील्स होते हैं, तो ए में क्या आएगा, किचन वेस्ट। और ग्रुप 2 में जो रिमेनिंग वेस्ट है, क्लॉथ का वेस्ट, पॉलिथीन बैग, और शूज, ब्रोकन टॉयज, उसको हम इसमें रखना है ग्रुप 2 में। सो यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर इन ग्रुप 1 में क्या है, किचन वेस्ट। ग्रुप इन द ग्रुप 1 there is kitchen waste. Now divide the contents of each group into 2 separate heaps. So you divide these contents of group into 2 separate heaps and label them A, B, C and D. So we are taking 2 groups, group 1, group 2, and then we are dividing the contents of each group into separate heap. So we take one heap from the group 1, and then another second heap from the group 1, and then we take third heap from the group 2, and then we will take fourth heap from the group 2. 4 हमने ढेर लेने हैं, 2 ग्रुप 1 से और 2 ग्रुप 2 से। So label them A, B, C, D. So it is A, it is B, it is C, it is D. So we are taking 2 groups, and when we are dividing these group into 4 heaps. So this is A, B, C, D. So these are A, B, C, D. So these are the garbage A, B, C, D. So put one heap from the group 1 and one heap from the group 2. And then toss into separate plastic bag. Suppose there are 2 groups, group 1, group 2. And then we are taking, what we are taking? Then we are taking 2 heaps from the group 1, and we are taking 2 heaps from the group 2. And take 1 heap from the group A, and take 1 heap from the group 2, and cover into plastic bags. So this is plastic bag. It is converting into plastic bag. So take this heap. It is from the A, and it is from the C. So you are taking, this is a plastic. These are converting into the plastic bags. Tie the mouth of these bags tightly. So we are tying these bags. We are tying the mouth of the bag tightly. हम जो इसका बाहर का कवर है, माउथ है, इसको बहुत अच्छे से हम टाइट कर रहे हैं. Put all the 4 heaps in separate pits. So you take separate pits. These are the pits. So we put all these heaps in the separate pits. अलग-अलग गड्ढे में डालने हैं इसको, and then cover it with the soil. So we throw all the garbage in this heap, and then we are adding soil. You can also use 4 pots to bury these garbage heap. So if pits are not available, अगर गड्ढे available नहीं है, then we use 4 pots. 4 हम pots भी ले सकते हैं और उसको garbage heap को उसके अंदर भी डाल सकते हैं. Then after these, we will remove the soil after 4 days. Then after 4 days, we will remove the soil. And after 4 days, we are removing the soil. So what is the observation? Again, I am repeating. We are taking group 1, group 2. दो ग्रुप में हम गार्बेज ले रहे हैं, ग्रुप 1 में किचन वेस्ट है और ग्रुप 2 में जो बाकी वेस्ट है, और ग्रुप 1 को हम दो ढेर में कर रहे हैं, कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं ए एंड बी, और ग्रुप 2 का गार्बेज इसके दो ढेर बना रहे हैं सी एंड डी। सो देन अब एक हीप हम लेंगे ग्रुप ए से, एक हीप लेंगे हम ग्रुप सी से, और then we will convert into, then we will wrap into plastic bags. So we are taking A, these are A heap, these are the C heap. So एक ग्रुप ए से ढेर लेंगे, एक ग्रुप सी से लेंगे और इसको प्लास्टिक बैग से कवर कर देंगे, and then remaining is B and remaining is this is D. So we will cover these into pits. इसको हम किस में डाल देंगे, सारों को गड्ढों में। अगर गड्ढे अवेलेबल नहीं है तो हम एक पोर्स यूज कर सकते हैं इस गार्बेज के हीप्स को बरी करने के लिए। वी कैन यूज 4 पोर्स एंड आफ्टर 4 days we will remove soil. अब गड्ढे से यहाँ से सोइल निकाल देंगे, हाँ इस गड्ढे से सोइल निकाल देंगे after 4 days. And what is the observation? A black color and no foul, a black color and no foul smell indicates the rotting of the garbage is complete. If in this area black color substance is formed, and rotting of the garbage is complete. अगर वो ब्लैक कलर का सब्सटेंस बन गया है तो इसका मतलब वो जो सारा का सारा जो हमारा गार्बेज है वो किसमें कन्वर्ट हो गया है, वो सड़ गया है, और सड़ के किसमें कन्वर्ट हो गया है, कंपोस्ट में। So put the heaps again in the pits. Then we will all these garbage again we will put in these pits, and then we will add soil. And after 2 days we will observe what is the observation. So some garbage rot completely. कुछ garbage तो बिल्कुल सड़ गया बट उसमें से स्मेल नहीं आ रही, कुछ थोड़ा बहुत सड़ गया, रोटिंग में सड़ना, रोट ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीटली, कुछ गार्बेज ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीटली जो उसमें रोटिंग हो गई है, सड़ गया है, बट उसमें से फिर भी स्मेल आ रही है। और एक ऑब्जर्वेशन हो सकती है वो गार्बेज में कुछ भी चेंज नहीं आया। सो गार्बेज इन विच ही वाज सीन टू रोट एंड विच डिड नॉट, कौन सा किसमें रोटिंग होगी और किसमें रोटिंग नहीं होगी। इन द ग्रुप 1 देयर वाज किचन वेस्ट। इन द ग्रुप 1 में हमारा कौन सा वेस्ट था, किचन वेस्ट। और किचन वेस्ट को हमने किस में डाला था, पॉलिथीन बैग में, और दूसरे को हमने किस में डाला था, ओपन एरिया में डाला था, ओपन एरिया गड्ढे में डाला था। और जो हमारा गार्बेज पॉलिथीन बैग में है वो बिल्कुल कंपोज नहीं बनेगा, उसमें वो सड़ जाएगा, लेकिन उसमें से स्मेल आएगी। जो पॉलिथीन बैग में से हमने गार्बेज डाला किचन का वेस्ट, वो कंपोस्ट नहीं बनेगा अच्छे से, उसमें से ब्लैक कलर का सब्सटेंस तो बनेगा बट उसमें से स्मेल आएगी। और जो किचन का वेस्ट हमने गड्ढे में डाला था वो किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, which will convert into compost, और उसकी क्या बन जाएगी, खाद। तो ग्रुप ए में कौन सा गार्बेज था हमारा, किचन वेस्ट। जो ग्रुप ए में हमारा किचन वेस्ट था वो किसमें कन्वर्ट हो गया, एक को हमने किसमें डाला था, पॉलिथीन बैग में, और सेकंड को हमने किसमें कन्वर्ट किया था, किसमें डाला था हमने, पिट्स में और ओपन एरिया में डाला था, और उसमें फिर पिट्स में डाल दिया था। जो हमने गार्बेज पॉलिथीन बैग में डाला वो उसमें रोटिंग तो होगी बट स्मेल आएगी। और जो ये सारा का सारा जो हमने इसमें गड्ढे में डाला था, these will all convert into compost. And what was in the group 2? In the group 2, there was old clothes, old toys. So these is जो group 2 में जो cloth waste, toy waste, इसको हमने दो parts में डाला था और दो पार्ट्स कौन से थे, एक को हमने पॉलीथीन में डाला था और सेकंड वाले को हमने किस में डाला था, फर्स्ट वाले को पॉलीथीन में और उसके बाद किसमें डाला था हमने, ओपन एरिया में। जो ओपन एरिया पॉलीथीन में all observation in the garbage heaps. Suppose in the garbage heap A, there is a waste. So there is a waste in the, suppose we are taking garbage from the A heap is from the group 1. So after 4 days, it will convert into compost. It will convert into compost, and sometimes can be rotting, and sometimes it has smell or no smell. So after 4 weeks, it will convert into completely compost. Suppose in the sea, there is a garbage of old cloth. Old cloth garbage, after 4 days, no change. After 4 days, no change. After 6 days, no change. After 2 days, no change. After 4 weeks, no change. Suppose in the D, the garbage is in polythene. Group 2 का garbage polythene में है, क्या इसमें change आएगा? No. जो close वाला garbage है हमारा, जो polythene वाला garbage है, this will not change. So we will observe and we will complete the table 16.1. If you make any another observation, do not write, to note down these observation in your notebook. इसके अलावा अगर हमें कोई और भी observation मिलती है, तो you have to write down in your notebook. If the garbage was not found to rot completely and did not smell, garbage is rotting completely and also did not smell, this is convert into compost. जिसमें से smell भी नहीं आ रही और जिसमें से complete rotting हो गई है, this is compost. और compost को हम कहाँ डालते हैं, plants में, and this will give nutrient to the plants. So what do you mean by composting? The rotting and conversion of some material into manure is called composting. Material को manure में convert करना, it is called composting. And where we use these manure in the plants. Manure give nutrient to the plants. So manure give nutrient to the plants. So again I am explaining, there are two garbage, group 1, group 2. In the group 1, kitchen waste. In the group 1, kitchen waste. In the group 2, cloth waste. And second is our toy waste. So these will not convert into compost, but the kitchen waste, which was dig into a pit, it will convert into compost. So you have to reach up to composting. So if you have any query regarding these topics, you can ask. Yes. If you have any query regarding this topic, you ask. If you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask. Yes, raise your hands. Yes, raise your hands. If you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask. Yes, Anita. Yes, ask your question. Sir, on mic on करो students का. आकाश sir, mic on करो students का. Yes, ask your question. Yes, ask your question. Raise your hands. Raise your hands if you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask. So next is, what do you mean by composting? The rotting and conversion of some material into manure is called composting. So as we know, in the cities or town, we have separate dustbin. One is blue dustbin and second is green dustbin. First is blue dustbin and then is green dustbin. And blue and green is used for collecting waste. हम अपनी सिटीज और टाउन में दो हमारे डस्टबिन होते हैं, ब्लू कलर का एक ग्रीन कलर का. And blue, what is the use of blue bin? Blue bin is used for the material that can be used again. It is for the metals, plastic and glass. So blue bin में हम क्या डालते हैं जिसको हम दोबारा यूज कर सकते हैं. For example, plastic waste. For example, metal waste. And third is glass waste. And what was the another bin is used? Blue bin is used for the materials that can be used again. But green bin is used for collecting kitchen and plant animal waste. So what is the use of green bin? Green bin is used for collecting kitchen and plant waste. So green bin is used for collecting kitchen and plant waste. And this is blue bin. This is the green bin. Green bin is used for collecting kitchen and plant waste. And what is the another bin? Green bin. This is green bin. This is green bin. This is green bin. And next is blue bin. Blue bin is used for collecting material that can be used again. So there are two types of dustbin, blue dustbin and green dustbin. The green bin, you may have noticed these type of waste rot completely when buried in the soil. As we know, kitchen waste, if it is buried in the soil, अगर kitchen waste को अगर soil में डाल देंगे और उसको दबा देंगे, it will convert into compost. It will convert into compost. So, do you see why it is necessary for us to separate waste into two groups as we did in the activity 1? So we have to separate the waste into two groups. So you have to convert the waste into